Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage, Kingswood today. Broke one of my rules again, spent far too much money. £9.99 this one in the PDSA. It looks complete, looking through the window here. There's even something in there that shouldn't be in there. So this is really going to be a matter of what's the batteries like, I think, because there's a charger in there, so it's obviously rechargeable batteries in it. Usually the charger's missing, so this time we might be all right. Oh, ST Hovercraft, radio controlled hovercraft, 27 megahertz. Just have a look what the thing says. Real hovercraft that goes on land, off-road, on water, snow and ice. This deluxe set includes battery charger, rechargeable battery pack, 9.6 volts, and zinc battery 9 volts. I should think that's for the charger, for the transmitter. Yeah, battery's in there. Yeah, the light's not coming on when I operate it, so I should think we probably got to change that battery. Looks like it's skid steer or tank control, both forwards at the same time, both back, spin. This is very much the same setup as one I had a few years ago. Fast lane, that one was. There'll be a link in the video description. That one was a different layout and it was missing the rubber skirts, whereas this one appears to have the rubber skirts intact. Oh, that was the bit that I spotted that was in there that was nothing to do with it. That's some sort of flying saucer effect. It looks like it's got an infrared or a sensor there at least. Although that aerial, yeah, that's an infrared job, isn't it? That's not a real aerial. Looks like that's a charging socket there. On off. Yeah, no idea what that's to do with. That's nothing to do with this set. So we'll try that as a separate item. 2009 Spin Master Limited. All rights reserved. There's a LED there. I would think that's probably the transmitting LED and that's the receiver, and it's probably supposed to hover on its own. And that's the charger. Yeah, we'll look at that in a separate video. Right, instructions. So have we got a battery in there? Come on, you're supposed to, oh, that way. Yeah, got the battery. So we better put that on charge and see whether it works. I must say it does make a change to actually have the charger with the kit. Well, I've put the battery on charge. I've noticed there's no LED on it or anything on the charger to let you know when it's fully charged. So we're just going to have to leave it, I guess, for a length of time and hope for the best. Doesn't sound very good. Well, while we're waiting for the battery to charge up, I just happen to have an adapter here that I made up a while ago that takes a 9-volt battery and plugs into the same connector. So that will fit in there. Don't know if we can get the top on. Woohoo! Okay, I'll put a new 9-volt battery in here as well. Let's just point at the floor for a minute. You can see the original battery's on charge over there. Obviously we're on a lot less power than it's expecting. But the controller works. We've got forwards. Yeah, I think we're draining the battery fairly quickly here. Yeah, that looks positive, doesn't it? Well, just a little 9-volt battery in there, nothing like the proper one. And we do appear to have control, so it looks like it might work. That'll probably do for this video, and then we can do another one when the battery's charged up. Yeah, that battery's quite hot, so we were obviously drawing a lot of current out of it.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.